Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip archiving app on your Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for an app. Write RAR and hit the search button. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you can open the app. You'll need to grant it all file access. After that, go back and click dismiss. Now the app is ready and you can pack or unpack files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.